Are you dreaming of starting a business but have a tight budget? Well, fret not. Today we're going to explore 10 business ideas that can be started with less than $1,000. Number 10, freelance writing. Got a knack for words? Consider starting your own freelance writing business. All you need is a computer, a reliable internet connection, and a way with words. Write blogs, articles, social media posts, or even ghostwrite books. The possibilities are endless. Coming in at number 9, personal training. If you're a fitness enthusiast, why not make it your business? You could start a personal training service offering one-on-one sessions, group classes, or even online training. Number 8, home cleaning service. A clean home is a happy home. Start your own home cleaning service. All you need are cleaning supplies and a knack for making spaces sparkle. Sitting at number 7, virtual assistant. In this digital age, many businesses are looking for virtual assistants. Tasks can range from managing emails, scheduling appointments, or managing social media. Number 6, pet sitting. If you love animals, this could be the perfect business for you. Offer pet sitting services, dog walking, or even pet grooming. Halfway through at number 5, handmade goods. If you're crafty, consider selling handmade goods. Whether it's jewelry, home decor, or personalized gifts, your creativity could be your next income source. Number 4, tutoring. Got a subject you're passionate about? Why not share your knowledge as a tutor? You can offer your services to students of all ages, either in person or online. Coming in at number 3, personal chef. If you love to cook, consider starting a personal chef business. You could offer meal prep services, cater small events, or even host cooking classes. Just missing the top spot at number 2, social media consultancy. With businesses increasingly turning to social media, they need experts who can help them navigate this digital landscape. And finally, at number 1, dropshipping. This is an online business where you sell products but the supplier ships them directly to the customer. You don't have to worry about inventory or shipping, just marketing and customer service. So, there you have it. 10 business ideas that can be started with less than $1,000. They say that the best time to start a business was yesterday. The second best time is now. So why wait? Take the leap and start your entrepreneurial journey today. To summarize, you can start a business in writing, fitness, cleaning, virtual assistants, pet care, crafts, tutoring, cooking, social media, or dropshipping. All these require a minimal investment, but offer a world of opportunities. Remember, every big business started as a small idea. It's not about how much money you have, it's about how much passion, dedication, and hard work you're willing to pour into your dream. So go ahead, dream big, start small, and never stop believing in yourself.